Hi, in order to install Python, first of all you can connect to the link what I have projected on my slide, www.python.org/downloads. Here I am using Windows as my OS, so I'll take Python according to the version.msi file where we will download and install on our machine. Once we install Python on our machine, then where we can follow the steps to be implemented. If at all you are using Python on Unix or Linux machine, at $prompt you will type Python. If it is Mac operating system, Python percentage will be there for your operation. Or if you are using Windows, at your specific drive you will type the command Python. That will help you to start up the Python system. And switches or commands on the Python where we can use as a following option: -d, -o, -s, -v, -x, -c followed the command and file. These are all where we can use as a part of its command to understand the Python. And extension of the file of Python, we will take it as an .py or pyo to specify the Python type. Then here I have just given a screenshot that how do I find the Python. So we can use this Python with our following way of approach as well. Let us take, I will be connecting to my prompt and I will take it as an Python where you will find the Python command over here. Okay, so then here what exactly you want to use is all about, for example, I want to execute a code will help me out in displaying the information, and to come out of it you can use Ctrl+C or Ctrl+Z to exit the Python command. So keyboard interruption and coming out of the prompt where we are finding over here. This is basically how we can use the Python approach on our machines. Yeah, so even you can create your own file. You can create a text file with extension .py and you can edit the code with a text editor and you can run the program as it is. Let us view here. I would like to go with the drive and say I'm having the Python as a folder. Okay, I will be creating it here, Python as a folder, and I will open my folder and I'll make the file notepad test1.py is my file. Then here I'll type print hello user and then we'll save the file and run the program. Python followed by the file name test1.py. This is how where we can run the program in the Python. Hope you understood.